Your rankings didn't drop randomly. You just don't know why yet. And guessing is the fastest way to lose more traffic. Hi guys, this is Ashish, founder of DotSuite. In this video, I'll show you how to fix ranking drops using AI Growth Copilot with clear, actionable recommendations. Go to AI Growth Copilot inside DotSuite from left menu under Command Center. Everything here is aligned to your selected market. So the insights and recommendations you see are specific to where your business actually operates. AI Copilot continuously analyzes your data and shows you prioritized actions. You'll see recommendations like keywords close to ranking breakthroughs, pages you need to defend, opportunities to expand, and areas where you're losing visibility. Each recommendation is tied to a keyword and a specific page. And more importantly, it tells you exactly what to do. For example, improve semantic keyword coverage, add supporting content, create new pages, or fix keyword alignment. Now, once you take action, simply click the check mark. This tells the system that the task is completed. And here's where it gets powerful. AI Copilot continuously updates. As soon as you act on one recommendation, a new one appears. So you always have a clear next step. You're not stuck analyzing dashboards. You're moving from action to action. And all of this is based on your market-specific data. Now, instead of guessing what to fix, you have a system guiding you. Ranking drops are normal, but not knowing what to do next, that's the real problem. With AI Copilot, you always know your next move. Start using DotSuite and turn insights into action. Thanks for watching.